Let's look at this other example about Venn diagrams. This question says, in a class of 30 students, 25 study biology, 18 study geography. One student does not study biology or geography. Letter A, find the number of students who study biology and geography. Letter B, find the number of students only studying biology. And letter C, find the number of students who only study geography. Now, in most cases, you'll always be told either to use a Venn diagram or you'll just be told to use a Venn diagram. But here the information does not say that you should use a Venn diagram. But we can already tell that this question, the only way to solve it, you have to use a Venn diagram. Now let's start with drawing a Venn diagram. We all know that a Venn diagram is represented by a rectangle. Let's quickly draw the rectangle here. Let's draw it that way. And then we have to represent the Venn diagram, because the Venn diagram represents the universal set. Now we have to write the epsilon symbol here. That means that represents a universal set. And then because we have two subjects, biology and geography, those are the subsets of the Venn diagram. Therefore, that means we need to draw only two circles. But we have to make sure that the two circles should overlap. This is their overlap. And then the other thing that we need to do, we have to label the circles or the subsets. Since there are two, we are working with biology and geography. Therefore, we start with biology and geography. But since the question tells us that 25 study biology, then we need to indicate it here. And then 18 study geography. Good. And then we are told one student does not study biology or geography. That means the one student does not belong to either of the subsets. So we can write the one somewhere here. Now let's look at letter A, which says find the number of students who study biology and geography. We are now looking at the intersection of biology and geography. Now, in order for us to solve that, we need to know or remember that a class, the universal set contains 30 students. So we have to take note of that. Our universal set has 30 elements. Let's look at letter A. We want to find the number of students who study biology and geography. So the first thing to do, we have to use square brackets, and then we have 25. The 25 is for biology, and then plus 18. The 18 is for geography, and then plus 1, and then minus 30. We add the number of students, those that are doing biology and those that are doing geography, and plus 1. And then we subtract that from the universal set. And then we get the answer here is 14 students. Not only write 14, should be 14 students. And then letter B, the question says, find the number of students who only study biology. Now, from 25 students, there are some that are doing biology and geography, and there are those that are doing biology only. Their total is 25. Now, letter B is asking, we should only determine those that are doing biology only. But since we know the total of students that are doing biology is 25, we write 25, and then the intersection, we now subtract the number of students that are doing both biology and geography, and they are 14. So say 25 minus 14 equal to 11 students. And then letter C, let's look at questions. Question letter C, it says, find the number of students who only study geography. Not biology and geography, but only geography. The total number of students that are doing geography, they are 18. But this 18, there are those that are doing biology and geography, and there are those that are doing only geography. Now the question is asking to only determine those that are doing geography only. Since the total number of students that are doing geography, they are 18, and those that are doing both geography and biology, they are 14. We subtract that, we get 4 students. That's all. Now, how do you tell that your answers are correct? You should always verify to make sure that your answers are correct. We were told that the universal set contains 30 students. Oh, I forgot to indicate to put this information in the Venn diagram. The intersection is 14. The students that are doing both biology and geography, we write it in the middle here. And then those that are doing biology only, they are 11. And those that are doing geography only, they are 4. Now that means if we add 4 plus 14 plus 11 plus 1, we should add up to 30. Otherwise, if they don't add to 30, that means there's something wrong. Now 11 plus 14 is 29. Sure. Not 29, sorry. 11 plus that is 25, plus 4 is 29, and then plus 1 is 30. That means our answers are correct.